Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Inna Allah wa malaikatahu yusalluna ala nabi. يا أيها الذين آمنوا صلوا عليه وسلموا تسليما اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد وعجل فرجهم ولعنهم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Thank you so much for watching my course. So this ayah number 56 of Surah Al-Ahzab is arguably the most recited ayah in a momin's life. We recite it before azan, after iqama, after salah, during times of difficulties, during good times. It is arguably literally the most recited ayah outside of the Quran recited in the salah. So I thought I can create a course, inshallah, where I can teach you step by step on how to recite this ayah with the correct tajweed, with the correct rules of tajweed. And yeah, this is what this course is about, really, because this ayah has many different rules of tajweed attached to it, which at the forefront might come across as very complex. Oh my God, there's so much going on. So what I'm doing here is basically breaking those rules of tajweed down into small, manageable chunks, so that you can just take one rule at a time for one day and just work with it, and then move on to the next one and next one. And when you piece it all together, eventually in 5 days, 7 days, I don't know how long it's going to take. But when you piece it all together, it will all come together, and inshallah, you will be able to recite this ayah correctly with the right tajweed. So yeah, that's my aim with this course, inshallah. Before we go ahead, really quickly, there are numerous benefits of reciting salawat. This is one selected hadith which really hit me, so I thought I'll share this with you. That of all the deeds that you do, the heaviest thing in your scale is the salawat recited on Muhammad wa ali Muhammad. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ali Muhammad wa ajil faridahum. So yeah, this course will teach you how to recite this ayah of Surah Al-Ahzab with the right rules of tajweed. Before we go ahead, a really quick intro about myself. So my name is Hasnain Razwi, and I am a student of tajweed. I am not a scholar or anything like that. It's enough for me that I am the slave of the slaves of the Ahlul Bayt alayhi salam. So yeah, I'm putting together stuff which I've learned from my teacher or my other teachers as well, to inshallah break this ayah down into smaller, manageable chunks, so that you can work at it one piece at a time and put it together to recite it correctly with the right rules of tajweed. So yeah, that's a quick intro about me. Not that I'm very important, but what's more important is what you can learn from me. I would hope you would learn something from me. So essentially, this entire course is based around 3 pillars, and these pillars are essentially how long you stretch certain letters based on the letters before or based on the letters around that letter. And we'll learn more about it as we go along, but this is one of the main pillars, that which letter to stretch how much based on what's around it before or after. And then there is this interesting concept of heavy and light letters. I mean, I speak English and Urdu and Hindi, but this is something which I've come across for the first time in my life, of what heavy and light letters are, which probably is quite unique to the Quran. I'm not sure, but yeah, these are the 3 things we're going to be focusing on mainly. That and this is how we're going to dissect this verse into smaller chunks. And in doing so, in order for us to learn about these three pillars, we will learn about rules associated with these three pillars. So from these three pillars, we can extrapolate these things. Let me just move the slide. Yeah, so yeah, these are all the different rules which contribute towards those three pillars. Now, at the offset of it, this might look too complicated that, oh my God, there's so much going on. Don't panic. That's exactly the reason why I've created this course, because at the offset of it, things look like there's so many different rules to follow. But don't worry, we're going to break this down into smaller chunks so that you just work with one chunk at a time per video. I'm trying to hope that these are small videos, like 7 minutes maybe, or even less. I don't know. At the time of recording, we'll have to see how long they're going to be. So don't be overwhelmed. Partner up with someone. It's good to practice with someone, ideally a qualified Quran teacher. If not, just take one video at a time for one day and just work on that particular rule of tajweed. Once you understand that, then move on to the next one. Keep going back to previous ones and so on. So inshallah, the way to use this course is one thing at one time. Practice it, master it, work with it, work with your friends, your family and so on. And keep coming back. What's the rush? This is an ayat which you're going to be reciting for the rest of your life. So, there's no point rushing into it. Take your time. So yeah, and just to complement this, what I'm also going to be doing is I'll be creating a workbook, inshallah, which will help you digest the material in this course. So yeah, please like, subscribe, and comment below just for the reach. Spread this video to your friends and family, and I'm going to put up a link in the comments underneath. So please register your interest, so that once I'm done recording all these videos, I will then start working on the workbook, which would complement this course. So yeah, please like, subscribe, share this video, share it on WhatsApp, wherever you can. Inshallah, I'm hoping this will be of some use to you. And once the workbook is ready, I'll make sure to let you know. Okay, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the first lecture. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.